one, now.
Warning. The show you're about to see is flown in an aircraft that was never meant to do aerobatics. Really? He's doing aerobatics in a long easy? What, is he nuts? Ooh, the mic's on. Shoot.
Hey everybody, this is Ken Fowler. We are checking in again on our coast-to-coast, made it to the west coast, Alberta, over top of Arizona, Grand Canyon. This is an incredible view. Louisiana, made it to the east coast. It's been a long cross-country, and I love what I do.
I call it backwards plane because the engine's in the back, the tail's in the front, and it just kind of looks like a spaceship. And it actually is not designed for doing aerobatics, but anything will do a loop and roll when you try hard enough, and I try really, really hard.
Flatbeds, clothesline sunsets, sky blue barn red. Wind chimes front porch, good dogs wood floors, work boots open doors, and miles of John Deere green, freedom far as I can see. The road to run and room to breathe, that's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in a country, the only way I wanna be. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends, that's where you can find me. Within fields of gold and cotton rolls that never ending sky. I'd take it slow, easy road, man, it's life. Caught up in a country, caught up in a country. Miles and miles of John Deere green, freedom far as I can see. The road to run and room to breathe, it's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in the country, caught up in the country, caught up in the country.
Doesn't that look like fun?
You want my honest opinion? It looks terrifying. No, I'm kidding. It does look like a lot of fun. Look at him going up and over the top there. I love the onboards.
If you were able to see it on the big screens, you notice his helmet looks like his little handprints on it. He spends a lot of time on the road away from his family. He's got young kids, a beautiful wife, and to keep them close, he has had them all, the kids' idea, they did it, all put their handprints on his helmet in different colors, including his wife's, and that's
so cool.
That's what's on the helmet. His whole family is with you.
All the time, and he is a road warrior, an Alberta cowboy by trade. I mean, up there in the countryside of Alberta, out there by Red Deer, and all those great places on the prairie, isn't he, Rick?
Rocking up house.
I'm telling you, love it.
Winters are long for Kyle, and he loves to get on the road in the summertime, and loves to fly. Well, as he said, I love what I do.
Yeah, sure does.
One RD up here.
One RD up here.
I put my money down and I signed my name.
Look at it.
On that little corner lot where it don't ever rain. We stay good and new like a fresh corner.
Great American technology again as we celebrate aviation in 250 years. The Rutan brothers. You go out to the high desert in California, Mojave Desert, and the spaceport there, where they're in the restaurant almost all the time.
Oh yeah. It's so cool to watch Kyle in real time here, and then look up at him. Gives you such a cool glimpse into his world there. And isn't that where we all want to be? I mean, that's why we're here, right?
Yep.
everybody's dreaming about being up there right now. And
he's got 2 seats, and he often takes folks for a ride.
I love it. What a performer, and what an inventive guy. He does that night show that's all scripted and put together, just super creative, just like the designers of his airplane. It takes a special person to want to fly something like this.
You're talking to Kelly right now.
A long easy.
And he will chat with us again once he gets set up toward the end of the last maneuvers. Concentrating right now, though. That airplane.
Having a little bit of fun today, man.
I'm glad so's Jack. He's down here having a good time, too.
He's a good kid.
He can't hear us. I love it. Watch him as he brings it back around here.
All over the social medias.
All right, guys, ready for some air to ground?
We're ready, bud.
Let's do it.
Hey, Dayton, how is everybody doing today?
Dreams we would color outside of the lines. Don't you
Let them know how much they enjoyed that.
Yeah, buddy. Well, everybody but that kid in the green shirt back here said they were doing well, I think.
That's great. Well, I got you guys on the radio. I want to say a big thank you to all the volunteers. And hey, you guys know that they're from Ball and Colt for all the hard work that they do. Without them, we can't do what we do. You know what, man? I love what I do.
Yeah, buddy, it sure shows. We're loving watching you, man. That is super cool. I love watching that thing y'all back and forth. Super,
it's a bit of a
cool.
struggle to make this airplane do this. Believe it or not, Matt, this is not an aerobatic airplane.
Yeah, I believe it. Oh, man.
That's not to say.
All right, Matt, I'm coming around. Be a nice topside pass. Great photo pass for everybody.
Never say last. It's the one before the next one. There we go. Look at it. Kyle Fowler, everybody.
Beautiful.
There you go. Nice, beautiful topside pass.
Look at that.
This one is beautiful.
It is. It's
Yellow paint,
spectacular.
Autocraft did such a great job on this airplane. Some of this paint.
All right, Matt, I'm going to go talk to Boss real quick for landing. But I do got one more trick up my sleeve as long as Boss will let me have a little more fun.
Uh-oh.
I know what he's going to do.
Yeah, do you? What's he going to do, Ricky? You're going to his big surprise, huh?
Well, get your cameras ready.
All right.
Not just yet. He's got to get on the ground.
Okay. Big surprise here
And
for Kyle.
Kelly, the nose
Kelly,
wheel
can he do
falls
it?
down and then locks.
Let's see.
Watch this now.
I think he's going to do it.
There, the nose wheel, I think. I can't see.
Look at
the tent here.
Look at him. Look at him.
Weird landing
Woo.
gear. Push your propeller.
Just rolls it right on the ground there. Look at that. That thing it's so bizarre looking. I mean,
It is.
even today, I don't know how many of these I've seen. Got a buddy that's got one, but it's still bizarre looking.
He's doing an upgrade. Next year, we'll see him flying a 4-seat version of this.
No way.
Yeah.
Like a Velocity? A big one, huh?
Bigger one.
Oh, that'd be cool.
It'll look absolutely amazing. And more comfortable, and he'll be able to bring the family with him. Because it's a big deal to him.
You tell. Yeah, let's see.
I'm ready if he does.
Let's see. He's coming around.
Look at that nose wheel, though. Is that not a straight?
How you doing?
Oh, here he is.
I'm doing good, bud. We're going to see some Ricky Bobby. What you got up your sleeve?
I got one more trick. I said I got one more trick up my sleeve, and you know how NASCAR has their little burnouts when they're done?
Oh, yeah, buddy.
I think we do it better, but by rounds of applause, folks, let me know if our burnouts are a little bit better than NASCAR.
All right, look at that, Ricky. Whoa, man.
Tear it up. Tear it up.
Where'd he go?
He's gone.
There he is.
Now you see him?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Ken Fowler, ladies and gentlemen. Holy smokes. Please give it up for him as we turn things over to Dave now.
All right, that's it for me, Matt.
All right, buddy. Dave, brother Dave.